as an automation or controls technician, you're trying to achieve primarily supporting production to keep your production facility running while adding new equipment at the same time. Biggest problems you're trying to solve are the day-to-day production jobs. A lot of times it's utilizing the software and the programs as a troubleshooting tool for perhaps that sensor that came out of adjustment or the wires that are broken. You're working with the engineering department for the new product that's coming out and you need to make sure that the robot is picking it up correctly or working with the product correctly. One of the unique things about advanced manufacturing is we're using the exact same real-world manufacturing robots that you see out on the production floor are also what are in our lab, giving the students the opportunity to use the exact same equipment they're going to see out in industry. The best fit for these programs are those that are hands-on learners. It's those that learn best by taking apart and putting back together. Those that are thinking about like automotive or repair technician, maintenance technician. The only difference between this is instead of a toolbox, it's a laptop computer. Because the careers and automation field is so large, you get exposed to all of these different opportunities, technologies, and things that are being done in industry. And a lot of times you find that one special thing that you really enjoy doing the most, and there's a really good chance you can actually make a whole career out of doing that.